This is the phonics activity given to me, Mrs. G. Sarita, Kendra Vidyalaya, Coimbatore. The consonants given to me is M and N.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the sound for the letter M and N. So let us start with the letter M. So M. What is the sound for this letter M? M. M. So now let us see how we will be reading these words.
Moon, monkey, mask, map, milk, mouse.
What is the sound in all these things?
M.
Now let us read these.
Mop, man, mad, mouth, mirror.
Very good. So the sound for the letter M is
M.
M. Very good. Now let us see the sound for the letter N. So N. N. So the sound for the letter N is N.
N.
Now let us see how it is going to be read in these words.
Nest,
Very good.
net, nest, nose, nine, news.
So what is the sound for the letter N?
N.
Very good. So now let us see in these words.
North, neck, nut, nap, new.
In all this we have seen that the letter N sounds as
N.
very good and the letter M sounds as
M.
very good. Thank you.